The question of whether the universe was born from nothing is one that has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries. In recent years, advances in cosmology and theoretical physics have shed new light on this question, leading to new ideas and theories about the origins of the universe. In this essay, we will explore the concept of nothingness, examine the different theories about the origin of the universe, and consider the possibility that the universe may have emerged from nothing. The concept of nothingness. The concept of nothingness is a difficult one to define because it seems to defy our understanding of reality. When we talk about nothingness, we are referring to the absence of any physical or material objects, energy, space, or time. In other words, nothingness is a state of complete emptiness, devoid of any properties or attributes. However, the question of whether nothingness is a real concept or merely a philosophical abstraction remains a subject of debate. In classical philosophy, the concept of nothingness was often associated with the void, an empty space that exists outside the realm of the physical world. The void was considered to be a kind of container that could hold the universe, but it was not considered to be a part of the universe itself. In more modern times, the concept of nothingness has become associated with the idea of the vacuum, which is a space that is devoid of any particles or energy. The vacuum is not truly empty, however, as it is filled with virtual particles that emerge and disappear in a fraction of a second. One of the most famous philosophical discussions about nothingness was conducted by the German philosopher Martin Heidegger. He argued that nothingness was not a state of emptiness, but rather a fundamental aspect of existence. According to Heidegger, the concept of nothingness arises from the human experience of anxiety, which is a feeling of unease or dread that arises when we confront the possibility of our own non-existence. Theories about the origin of the universe. There are several different theories about the origin of the universe, each of which has its own strengths and weaknesses. In this section, we will examine some of the most prominent theories and explore their implications for the idea that the universe emerged from nothing. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is currently the most widely accepted theory of the origin of the universe. According to this theory, the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, about 13.8 billion years ago. The singularity then underwent a rapid expansion known as inflation, which lasted for a fraction of a second. As the universe expanded and cooled, matter and energy began to form, eventually giving rise to stars, galaxies, and all the structures we observe in the universe today. One of the key features of the Big Bang Theory is that it does not require the universe to have emerged from nothing. Instead, it assumes that the universe existed in a highly compressed and dense state before the Big Bang, and that the singularity was simply the starting point of the expansion. However, some proponents of the theory have suggested that the singularity itself may have been a kind of cosmic egg, containing all the matter and energy that would eventually form the universe. Inflationary cosmology. Inflationary cosmology is a modification of the Big Bang Theory that proposes that the universe underwent a period of exponential expansion in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. This rapid expansion would have smoothed out any irregularities in the universe, leading to the homogeneous and isotropic structure that we observe today. Inflationary cosmology also provides a possible explanation for the large-scale structure of the universe, such as the cosmic microwave background radiation and the distribution of galaxies.